So let us start. Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, once more. أعوذ أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And then Bismillah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. One more time. Bismillahi. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahman. We are going to pronounce ha. We are going to pronounce this, articulate this letter from the middle portion of throat with a lot more air than the ha of Allah word. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay. We are going to practice these ta'awuz and tasmiyah, every day. So let's begin with the lesson now, which is going to be the third ayah of Surah Kahf. Okay, the first word here is makithina. Makithina. Okay, so the first letter is M in English and then K in English, maki, and they are similar to English. Okay, makithina. Then the letter there is tha. So tha, there isn't any alternative of it in English because it's neither C sound or S sound. Okay, this is a bit softer, tha. And how we articulate it is that we put the tip of our tongue onto the upper on the tip of our upper teeth, okay, and very lightly, tha, tha. In tha, there isn't any whistle sound, okay. The way we pronounce seen, it is different than seen, so it is tha, tha. Okay, makithina fihi abada. Then there is fa. Okay, fa. So this is similar to English F sound. Okay, but there is air in it. It has quality that we remove air from our mouths by saying this fa, because the tip of our upper teeth, we touch it with the lower lip. Okay, fa, and we remove air. Fa, fa, fihi abada. Okay, so then there is ha sound. I told yesterday as well that when we articulate ha, this we articulate it from the portion of throat that is near to the chest. So we are going to feel vibration, or the hemming sound in ha, ha, fihi abada. Okay, then there is hamza, which is just like a in English, and then ba, a bit with strength, ba, ba. Okay, abada. And then in the when we are stopping at the end of this ayah, we are not saying dan, because rather like there is tanween on dan, but we are saying da. And there is a reason for doing that, because when there is tanween of fatha at the end, fatha is that the symbols are above, okay, above dal. Okay, the slanting lines, the two slanting lines. Okay, then we are whenever we are going to stop at such a word ending with the tanween of fatha, we are going to convert the tanween into alif sound. Okay, and we are going to say abada rather than abadan. Okay, makithina fihi abada.